Good morning. I don't know what time it is. It's like 6 something. Happy Thursday. It's Thursday. So yeah, I think I got like 5 hours of sleep. My husband still sleeps, so I'm trying to be quiet because he is not a heavy sleeper. He is a light sleeper. And I always joke him because he's in the military, right? And I always joke him about having like military grade ears, because I swear he hears everything. No matter how quiet I try to be, he still hears it. But yeah, anyhow, so today I'm gonna start taking out my braids because I'm getting them done tomorrow. I can't wait because we can't be walking around this raggedy during a pandemic. And then I think I'm also gonna start editing the other video. And yeah, I don't even know what this day is going to be like because in the state of Virginia, our governor placed a stay-at-home order unless you're going out for essentials. I know at some point we need to go grocery shopping. I don't know if we're going to do that today or what, but in my last video I mentioned that I'm a restaurant worker, and my mom just sent me this link to apply for a grant, and it's for restaurant workers because we're like really impacted by all of this. Like I stated, my hours were like extremely cut. The struggle is real. And it's just crazy because I just never thought we would ever get to this point. I mean, because, you know, we're working people. Yeah. I just never thought I would get to this. This is just like something that nobody could foresee ever happening, and the struggle is real. So I'm going to apply for that grant. I'm still waiting to hear about my unemployment situation. Never thought I would apply for that. And I was telling a friend that, I mean, I could opt for doing DoorDash again. I was doing it a year ago. I could do that again. My only thing with that is, like, I'd still have to interact with people. And at least, like, when I'm at work, we close the dining area so customers can't come in. You know, that's little to no interaction with people in general for me. So if I did DoorDash, like, I'm still interacting with people. Like, this whole thing sucks. And I'm just trying to figure out different ways to accumulate some funds because we don't know how long this is going to last. The whole thing is just a headache. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna start taking these braids out, which doesn't take too long. The takedown is like nothing. It doesn't take that long at all. But at least since I'm off, it gives me a whole day to like wash it really good, deep condition, detangle. I made attempt to cut my ends because I haven't touched them in a minute. Okay, this is where I'm currently at. I think I've only like taken out like 3 rows, and it's 9:12 in the afternoon. That's where we're at. Not very far. I'm hoping to be done in like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours, so then I could start editing the vlog from yesterday. I'm trying to like put myself on some type of like routine since I have all this time right now. But at the moment I am watching YouTube at the same time. I am watching the Patricia Bright. I absolutely love and adore her. She's amazing. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. I always call her like my British sister. You know what I'm saying? Even though she has no idea who I am and will probably never ever know who I am, but whatever. But I'm gonna get back to this hair or it's not ever gonna get done. And yes, he's still asleep and snoring away. Such is life right now. Taking a break. Eating cereal since I can't get regular food at the grocery store. It's 10:11. This is where I am at with my hair. I made it up here, so I still got like a good half to go. We're making progress.
The pinks and the blues, give me the blues. I don't want to take those.
But man, you need to know they get ready to cut something off.
Just throw that one to me. Cut that mark off of that. They come out here and read every month.
That's my deal. But
Give me a number.
My hair has grown. You probably can't tell.
Everything all right? What's going on?
That hurts!
So stop poking me then.
Jerkwad.
How you gonna poke me? I retaliate, then you gonna slap me. What if I slap you back on camera? Post that.
You would have problems, and I would get all the views.
Nobody's ready for me.
And I would get all the views.
We got a whole armory over here.
Excuse me, I got a whole goon squad and then some.
They gotta get past the bullets.
Whatever.
Yeah, okay. So unless they come with guns, they better stay where they at.
Y'all hear him? That's what I be dealing with daily. You got nothing to say? Oh, okay. Now for the fun part. Washing. So this is what I'm using. This shampoo. Then this stuff. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Then we're going in with the deep conditioner. Right? Then we're going in with this leave-in. What is this? Riogio or something milk. Men don't have to worry about this stuff. Do you deep condition your hair? Do you put like a mask in and like let it sit?
Why are you asking questions you know the answer to?
I'm just wondering. But look how much my hair has grown. And half of it needs to be cut off. Let go. Yeah, I can't walk around like this.
People walk around like that. I'm like, how do you walk around with that big heavy thing all day?
I have no idea.
Walk around with my phone. Can I do that?
Can you do what?
I said I would rather walk around with my phone. Like,
Yeah, because I have my mic on this and everything.
but I've seen people walk around with all of that, and I'm like,
This person came through drive-thru with their camera because they were doing that challenge where you order whatever the person in front of you ordered. And when I noticed their camera, I closed the window so quick because I was like, wait a minute. You ain't asked me to be in your little video.
They don't care.
I'm going to find them because I've been looking for it.
Hot in this kitchen.
that's because you're cooking, girl. You hot.
Okay. I got my lemon
Yeah.
for my salmon.
Yeah.
See? But make sure you roll it on the counter first.
Get all the juice.
Yep. And then cut it in half. Why do I know these things?
Yeah.
Nick, what y'all been doing all day?
I took my braids out. Watched all the Medea plays.
Where all the Medea plays at? You have the movies, the DVDs?
Prime on the BET channel.
I haven't watched any of the plays in like forever.
Me
I
either.
have Prime, but isn't BT a different cost?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got
I don't like
all the
BET.
plays.
Yeah,
And
I don't
all
like
the
BT like that.
they got all the plays and all the movies.